Dear teacher, my name is Rocki Alberto Huamani Ccaccro. On this occasion, I will present my final exam. The scheme of the presentation: introduction, globalization, interculturality, cultural awareness, influence in the personal and professional environment, conclusion, and finally, references. I'm going to continue with introduction. In this presentation, these concepts will be analyzed in detail, including their definition, causes, consequences, and how they affect our environment and our profession practices will be explained. Globalization. Globalization refers to the process of economic, cultural, and social interconnection and independency worldwide, driven by technological advances and the opening of markets. Causes: advances in information technology, more accessibility, transportation, and trade liberation are some of the causes of globalization. Consequences: globalization can lead to greater cultural diffusion, economic growth, but also social inequalities, loss of cultural identity, and environment problems. Effects: globalization. Globalization has transformed industries, created global employment opportunities, but has also led to labor exploitation and cultural homogenization in some cases. This image shows the example of globalization, of how people are connecting with different countries around the world. This is a phrase. Globalization is a journey of no return, but we can decide what to do along the way and how to influence in direction by Jose Mujica. Interculturality. Interculturality refers to the interaction and coexistence of different cultures in the same space, promoting respect, understanding, and appreciation of cultural differences. Causes: migration, technological advances that facilitate global communication, and economic opens between countries are some of the causes of interculturality. Consequences: promotes cultural diversity, enrich mutual knowledge, promotes tolerance, and can contribute to peace and social stability. Effects: interculturality can generate cultural tensions and conflicts, but it can also lead to the creation of more inclusive and diverse societies. Cultural awareness. Cultural awareness refers to the ability to recognize, understand, and appreciate cultural differences, as well as the ability to interact effectively in multicultural environments. Causes: exposure to different cultures, intercultural education, and personal experience are some of the causes that can develop cultural awareness. Consequences: cultural awareness facilitates effective communication, reduces misunderstanding and intercultural conflicts, and promote empathy and collaboration. Effects: lack of cultural awareness can lead to misinterpretation, stereotypes, and prejudice, which can hinder collaboration and social integration. I'm going to continue with influence in the personal and professional environment. On a personal level, globalization facilitates access to diverse information and connects us with people around the world, expanding our vision of the world. Interculturality exposes us to diverse perspectives and ways of life, enriching our understanding of the world. Cultural awareness allows us to relate to people from different cultures in a respectful and effective way. In the professional scope, globalization allows international business opportunities, but also requires adaptability to compete in a globalized market. Interculturality. In a diverse world environment, promotes creative and innovation by combining different approaches and knowledge. Cultural awareness improves communication with international colleagues and clients, avoiding unnecessary misunderstanding and conflicts. Conclusion. The mix of cultural understanding our differences and living in a globalized world are fundamental aspects in our daily life and at work. Learning to accept and understand diverse cultures, being aware of our own differences, and adapting to a global world are crucial skills today. At work, these skills aren't only useful, but also essential to success in an increasingly interconnected and multicultural work environment. Here, the reference of the word developed. Thank you, teacher.